Namaskar. On behalf of Managing Committee, students, teachers and all the staff at Greenfields Public School Vivek Vihar, we welcome all the members of Virtual Inspection Committee. Namaskar. Welcome you all.
Greetings to all. Welcome to Greenfields Public School, Vivek Vihar, recognized from DOE and affiliated to CBSE. Greenfield Public School Society was established in 1968 by the founder, our revered late Shri R.R. Joshi. Let's have a look over school premises spread across the boundaries of 2.5 acres. Considering all the precautive measures for COVID-19, our school has been properly aided with requisite commodities to ensure safety of all.
Remedial teaching material for children with disabilities, for children with learning disabilities. We've got books. This is a Braille learning kit. This shows how Braille is written and read. So this is a new device actually. So this is magnetic and this is how you write. So this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. So that's how you read the dots and it makes words and sentences go on.
Considering IT as pivotal element, a well-equipped computer lab has been set up.
Welcome to the Integrated Science Laboratory of Greenfields Public School, Vivek Vihar. As you can see, it is well ventilated, illuminated and spacious. Here we have demonstration area for the teachers to demonstrate their experiments. Here we have microscopes and slides for the students to explore the hidden world of the science. The most interesting feature of this lab is human skeleton, which the students love observing. We have installed fire safety gadgets in the laboratory.
Hi, I am Shivam Verma from Robot Squad Innovators. We are basically the robotics and AI trainer. AI stands for artificial intelligence. So our robotic class will start from KG to class till 12th.
हाय आई एम राखी अग्रवाल फ्रॉम माइंड मैट्रिक्स। हमारी कंपनी बेसिकली अबैकस प्लस और वैदिक मैथ्स का प्रोग्राम कराती है। अबैकस प्लस, व्हाट इज़ अबैकस प्लस? इट्स टोटल ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम। बेसिकली हम बच्चों को इसमें अबैकस के टूल के साथ साथ मेंटल कैलकुलेशंस के साथ साथ हम उनका ब्रेन डेवलपमेंट भी करते हैं। किस तरीके से? हम बेसिकली यहाँ पर राइट हैंड और लेफ्ट हैंड दोनों टेक्निक यूज़ कराते हैं जो कि हमारे क्रॉस कनेक्शन के साथ कनेक्टेड है।
These are additional classrooms. The additional classroom. additional classes.
I haven't gotten ready now. I use social media. It takes a day to make.
A vast spread playground facilitating many outdoor sports activities covering a cricket pitch, badminton court and volleyball court. This is a well-organized parking area for staff and students.
Thank you.